This topic is couplers. Couplers are Couplers are used to combine and split the signals. Used to combine and split the signals. Okay. Couplers means combine and split the signals. And here there is a fused fiber coupler. There is a fused fiber coupler, which means most of the couplers are fusing at the middle, fusing the fiber at the middle, fusing the fiber at middle, and is called fused fiber coupler. Okay. Next one is there is a 2x2 coupler, which means 2 input and 2 output ports are there. That is 2 input and 2 output ports. Here 2x2 coupler means here 2 input having. Fiber is also 2. Here this is the length L, which is denoted by L, and this is fiber 1 and this is fiber 2, and have the fraction alpha. This is input 1, this is output 1, this is input 2 and this is output 2. Have the fraction alpha, output as alpha. Here 1 minus alpha, here also 1 minus alpha, which means that there are 2x2 coupler has 2 inputs and 2 outputs. This is fiber 1 and this is fiber 2. Here input 1 takes the fraction of power alpha and gives you the same power to the output 1, and remaining power alpha is given to this output 2. Likewise, the fraction of 1 minus alpha at the input 2 is given to the power at the output 2, and remaining fractions will be sent to here, from here to here and here to here. Okay. This is basics of couplers. That is, coupler means it is used to combine and split the signal, and it is used in optical network. Where we are using means optical network. And here there is a fused fiber coupler. Fused fiber coupler means most of the couplers are fusing the fibers at the middle. So it is called fused fiber coupler. And there is a 2x2 coupler which has 2 inputs and 2 output ports. Input 1, output 1, input 2, output 2. Here input 1 takes the fraction of alpha and send out the power to output 1, and the remaining power will be sent to output 2. And here also in fiber 2 the 1 minus alpha fraction will be sent from the input 2 and given to the output 2, same fraction 1 minus alpha, and the remaining fraction will be sent to the output 1. Next one is types of couplers. Types of couplers.